Welcome to GoodWe training series. Today we will take you through the SMT 80KW unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the SMT 80KW series box. In the box, there is an accessory pack, mounting plate, inverter. Now showing all the contents of the box. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of the inverter. Take a look at the appearance of SMT 80KW from different views. Length is 700 mm, depth is 260 mm and the height is 550 mm. Compared to the old inverter, the color of the new inverter has been changed to white. The new inverter has a simpler and more aesthetically pleasing design. Decreased weight, size but increased the waterproof rating to IP66. Simultaneous noise less than 65 dB. For single SMT 80K inverter with night power supply function can achieve 24 load monitoring by simply connecting the meter. Increased lightning protection level for greater protection. Bottom views of the SMT 80KW. There are many ports for different functions. The number of MPPT groups was upgraded from 4 to 6. The string current has also been increased to 42A to better match the 210 PV components. Accommodate more complex multi-angle roofs. Installation of the inverter. Here are the main tools prepared for the installation of SMT 80KW. New inverter with added handles on both sides. The handle have their own locking decorations. Please be careful to unlock them before use. We have also upgraded the mounting plate for the inverter. It is labeled with directions, so please be careful to distinguish them. Use a steel tape measure to mark the location of the holes according to the dimensions labeled in the video. Drill the holes using a 13 mm diameter percussion drill, ensuring a depth of approximately 65 mm. Use expansion bolts to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Fix all 4 screws as shown in the video. Then hang the inverter on the mounting plate. After it, do not forget to tighten the safety screw. Preparation and connection of DC-AC side. Make positive and negative 2 DC wires. Plug the PV connectors into the DC input terminals. Don't forget to connect the ground wire. First open the AC side protective cover. Natural extension of the waterproof cover that will be rolled up in the AC cover plate. Prepare and fabricate 5 AC wires. Connect the 5 cables to the designated locations respectively. Attach the inverter side protective cover. Tighten the buttons of the waterproof cover. Insert the communication module into the port on the inverter. Open the DC switch and the inverter is up and running. After the inverter is installed, you can download the app for energy management. SolarGo can operate the inverter with safety settings, grid connection form, remote start/stop, etc. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.